Light.
Blackpool Lights.
Blackpool Light.
Right. Oh god. It's good to have a laugh. That is the Winter Garden, eh?
Yeah,
What do you have to
that's
tell people about the Winter Garden?
This is where they have the punk rock events.
The punk and that.
Punk rock, and the world dancing championship.
Dancing championship and all that.
Well,
Oh, nice, nice. Cool. It looks nice though. It's a lovely day, isn't it?
I know that. It's sheltered here, you see, from the wind, you know.
From the wind, yeah, exactly.
As you can see down there, there's the sea down
There's
there.
a sea over there, yeah.
That's
It's
called,
not far off,
that's
isn't
called
it?
Liverpool Bay.
Liverpool Bay.
Yeah,
Is
yeah.
it?
Yeah, that's what it's called.
Wow. Hello, love. I think my love has a lot of information about Blackpool for us. What do you have to tell people about Blackpool that are watching? Are you from Blackpool?
Yeah.
So they visit Blackpool or should they keep away?
Oh, I think they should visit.
They should visit.
Especially when the season starts.
When the season starts?
Yeah, it's great.
When does the season starts?
Easter.
Easter time?
Yeah.
So they don't have to come till Easter time, or they should wait till Easter comes?
Well,
or they could just still come?
it's more busier. It starts getting busier.
Busier and
from
busier.
Easter. Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah.
Are you local?
Yeah.
All right. So that's good.
I like living here. I like being by the sea.
Live by the sea.
Yeah.
I love the sea as well. What's your lovely name?
Now what?
Lovely name. What's your name?
Diane.
Diane. That's a nice name.
What's it for, that?
Well, I'm going around asking people about Blackpool, and it's going on YouTube.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, just about, you know.
Oh, God, I'm not going to be on the YouTube.
What caught my eye?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, look at that. What's going
Show
on?
and events, Winter Gardens, Blackpool.com. There you go.
There you go. You get some information there.
There you go. I just caught my eye.
You just got your eye there. Wow, you got a sharp eye there,
You
isn't it?
get some good shows on it.
On
Can you remember
there.
the name of any well-known artists that appear here? I mentioned Katie Minogue and I've mentioned Nile Rodgers from Chic. A great disco man.
Not far from here, Lytham Festival.
Lytham Festival as well. Is that where you're from?
No, I'm from here. But
Blackpool here.
it's not far.
Up not far.
They have the festival.
Yeah, but that's not Blackpool though.
Stevie
Lytham's not
Wonder's
Blackpool.
on.
Stevie Wonder, he's on this year.
Yeah.
In the Lytham Festival lineup. Wow, look at that. Guys, Stevie Wonder is there. Are you going to go as well?
Oh, definitely.
Definitely. You'll be going to have a bit of buggy, yeah?
It's one of my favourites.
Stevie Wonder is one of your favourite. Wow, that's great, man. All right, Diane. Thank you very much. She's going to be on YouTube, so thanks for the information.
As long as you're not wanted by the FBI, you'll be safe.
You're all right, don't worry. All right. Yeah.
It's warm here, it's nice.
It's nice, yeah. It's not bad here, isn't it? All right, so, yeah.
That making Blackpool better, look.
Where?
There's
Where
a
is it?
sign there on the window.
Oh, do you believe that?
Yeah.
About one structure building. What's that one building? Is that the building?
No,
Is that another one
no,
coming up?
That's another one.
Is that in the one in Central there?
No, that's the entrance. The entrance to get inside here is through there. It's the main shopping.
No, I
there.
mean that building there. What is saying to make Blackpool better again?
I don't know. I've
Where
no
is
idea.
that? You're not
Northern
ready?
Powerhouse. No, that's where we are, the north of England. See, Northern Powerhouse, so they call it that.
Yeah, but you're saying you're gonna make
See, look,
Blackpool
there's-
great again, but
You see, look, there's a.
with more jobs for local people. That's
there
what
you
they're
go.
saying.
There you go.
But what sort of jobs?
It's never open.
How long will it take before they
That I
get it
know,
built?
yeah.
Exactly. How long will it take before they get it built?
Alright, well, there you go.
I think though, this is it. This is what stands up there. That's been there for how many years? Is it
Oh,
100
yeah.
years plus?
Yeah, at least 100 years.
100 years, isn't
Blackpool
it?
Tower, yeah.
Can you tell us how much it was built for? Do you know?
I can't remember now, but there is lots of information about it.
How much it cost to build?
Yeah, but
Hello, assalamu alaikum. Happy Ramadan.
Thank you.
Thank you. Soon it'll be finished.
You put this one on YouTube?
Yeah. African World Traveller. Come on, you live in Blackpool?
Yes.
Yeah, okay. Come on, tell us about Blackpool, about your experience.
So I don't have so many experience because I come here before 2 months.
Before 2 months? All
Yeah.
right, okay, go on, check it out. And you could tell us about your experience for 2 months. African World Traveller.
Yeah, I want to give you one follow.
Okay, that's great. Look at that, guys. And what's your name? Why is we doing
My
that?
name
Tell
is
us.
Farah.
You hold the camera
Okay.
and you can see yourself. Go on.
So I'm Farah. She's my sister-in-law. I'm from Romania. Where are you from?
Where from? Ukraine?
Yeah. And so we was outside. We drink coffee and we spend time together.
And now you met
in
African World
Blackpool.
Traveller here.
Yeah.
And now you're getting subscribers here. That's us here.
Yes, give.
That's me. You want to subscribe?
Yeah,
You
yeah.
hit the button before they think that, okay. All
Alright.
right, that's good.
Okay, thank
So,
you.
are you from Romania, you said?
Yes.
And you from?
Ukraine.
Ukraine. And you both Muslims?
Yeah.
Revered or
Alhamdulillah.
born Muslims?
Ukraine.
You also?
Revered or born?
No, I'm born Muslim.
I'm
Where are you?
reverted.
Yeah.
And you reverted. Wow, Romania have Muslims.
Yes.
Really? I didn't know that. I am Muslim.
My mom is Romanian and my father is from Pakistan.
Pakistan, mashallah. Wow. What's your name?
My name is Farah.
Farah and
Lisa.
Lisa. Omar.
Ah, nice to meet you.
Nice to
Omar.
meet you. Mashallah. Yeah, good to have you as well
Thank
in
you.
there.
Enjoy and good
Thank
luck
you.
with this.
Good to you too, man.
Bye-bye.
All right, take care. All the best. Hopefully you'll get a comment there, okay? Looking forward for your comment. Thank you. That's nice though. I'm from here. I live in Blackpool, but I'm from the Gambia.
Oh, yeah.
You do know Gambia?
Well, I've heard
Yeah.
of it. Never been.
You heard of it?
Eh?
You heard of Gambia?
I have a family, yeah. I've got...
You have got a family that been to Gambia?
No.
No. So, but you heard of Gambia?
Eh?
Have you heard of Gambia before?
Oh, I've heard of it, yeah.
All right. Was it a good thing or a bad thing? What do you heard about Gambia? Tell us. What did they tell you about Gambia?
I've not heard anything bad.
It's just positive, yeah? Oh, that's good, Diane. You should go. It's a lovely place. Lovely place. Nice place. It's good. It's nice. How about you? He said, John. Is it John? John, you're looking at the lady there.
I know that.
Are you
What's-
fascinated with the hairstyle?
Absolutely.
She's got a lovely hairstyle. I bet that cost a couple of hundreds.
Oh yeah, just to brush it back, yeah, of course.
How you doing, mate? You good? It's a lovely day today. The sun is shining. So that's it, and John is smiling. That's good. When the sun is out, everyone
I
is
know,
happy.
it's lovely. I know.
Everyone is happy. That's it. We get some vitamin D.
It lifts it lifts what the sunshine
Spirit.
does. It lifts people's mood.
Mood
Up.
and the spirit as well.
Yeah, of course. Well, there you go. It's the spirit that matters anyway, you know.
So people shouldn't be miserable in this time of the
And this,
weather.
I
isn't it?
know
It's
this
like
kind of. I know. See, the only word that we really have is hope.
hope. Yeah.
That is the only word.
Yeah.
The rest of them doesn't really matter. It's hope.
Hope.
Hope. Like that lady's from the Ukraine. We hope they
Hope,
don't
yeah.
get no more people get killed.
Exactly. Peace. We
hope
want peace
we
in
hope
this
Putin.
world.
We hope Putin fucks off and leaves them
And
alone.
leave him alone. Exactly. Everywhere, Palestine and all that.
I know, well,
Look
we
at
know
it now.
that.
Oh, it's
I know
great. You
that.
know, kids,
Yeah, but
vulnerable people.
the Israelis are massacring the Palestinians. You know, it's wrong that
It's
they're
not
doing
right,
it, man.
no.
It's women and children that they're killing. You know what I mean? There's no discrimination between Hamas and the women and children of Palestine. They're killing them.
yeah,
You know?
exactly. It's nothing.
I
They
know.
should go after Hamas, not the civilians or the people.
I know they're not. I
You know,
know,
that's what they should have done. They should know where to get them and then leave the civilians alone.
I know that.
But
I know
anyway, that's a different thing.
I know that.
Let's leave it hope,
Leave it over there.
peace,
Leave it over there.
and we live as one. You know.
I know. Leave it over there.
Yeah. So, what sort of music are you into, John? What do you like?
Heavy metal
Heavy metal.
from the 1960s.
1960s.
Black
wow.
Sabbath.
Black Sabbath.
Yeah, they're real heavy metal.
Heavy
they,
metal.
They are the granddaddies of heavy metal.
Of heavy metal.
Oh yeah, absolutely.
The granddaddies.
Oh yeah, they created it all.
All
Yeah, in the 60s.
the 60s.
Yeah,
wow.
and it's all been.
Were
a
you
man-
born then?
Yeah, no, I was a hippie.
Are you?
One of the original. I'm 79.
You joking? You don't look it,
I
man.
know it's organic food. I've been buying organic food since 1975. That's why I don't look my age.
That's it. You don't
I
look
know
it, man.
that.
I thought you were in the 50s.
I'm one of the early pioneers of organic food. So you tell God I said that,
You
please.
said that, yeah.
Yeah, because in those days there was no such thing as organic food. It was homegrown. You could
Homegrown.
only find it in market stalls
Yeah.
and that sort of place. You couldn't find it in a shop.
No.
Now you can. It's
Is your tea organic though?
No, the tea. My diet is 98% organic.
Your diet, 98.
The other 2% is not organic.
It's not
And
organic.
This
That's
tea
part of-
is not organic,
It's
but it's
not.
still. See, Greg's.
Greg's.
They do sell vegan rolls if people are vegans.
Vegans,
And
yeah.
they do sell potato wedges, which are spiced potato
Potato wedges.
It's vegetarian stuff, you see.
Vegetarian stuff. Okay. So do you cook your own or do you
No, I do at home.
you do at home?
Yeah.
So what are you making today for tea?
Nothing. I've already what I've had today.
Are you on a diet or something?
No. But I'm careful about what I
What
eat.
you eat? Yeah.
I've had a nice plate of organic soybeans
Yeah.
with organic cabbage,
Right.
organic broccoli,
Mhm.
and some organic sauce, which is lovely.
Wow.
Mush it all up like that. Sprinkle a bit of ginger on it.
Ginger,
as well,
wow.
and it's lovely.
That is lovely.
Absolutely, yeah.
So you're
Absolutely.
vegan? You don't eat meat?
No, I'm a vegetarian.
Vegetarian, you don't eat meat.
Vegans are terrible.
different.
Vegans are extremists, man. They don't even like milk.
They don't even have milk.
No, they're extremists.
I don't know the difference, man.
No. Vegans will not eat eggs.
Yeah.
They will not eat cheese. They will not drink milk.
Milk,
See, that's what vegans are like that. But vegetarians will have that.
right?
But they won't have meat of any description. I won't have meat of any description.
You know.
But if people want to eat meat, what
Yeah.
they should eat
Yeah.
is fresh chicken, not frozen,
not frozen.
and fresh fish.
Fish, yeah.
Fresh fish, not frozen fish.
Not frozen as
That's
well.
what if they want to eat meat. That's
Meat.
what they should eat.
That's what it's doing.
Oh, absolutely.
Oh.
See, it's red meat that causes bowel cancer in middle-aged men,
Wow.
and that's in all the Western countries, Western democracies.
Right.
It's good old-fashioned smoky bacon that causes bowel cancer.
Bowel cancer.
And other red meats. Look,
Red meat.
even the President of the United States, Ronald Reagan, was a beef farmer,
Right.
and he had bowel cancer.
Cancer. Wow, he's ate a lot of beef then.
Of course.
Yeah?
Yeah, well, he grows the stuff, you know.
Yeah.
So there you go. You see.
Well, as an example, though, like what you farm, that's what you harvest. So
What do I what?
what you farm, that's what you harvest. Like
Oh yeah,
saying
well,
that-
yeah, well, if I had sufficiently enough money, I'd buy enough land to grow my own food.
own food.
Yeah. See,
Well, if you have a
look,
little garden, you could grow your own food.
No,
there, isn't it?
I don't want to be bothered with that. I got to have my own place like
Place
that.
there,
But
yeah.
you see, the thing is, even in this country for organic food,
Right.
this is how they do it. You own a block of land,
Yeah.
and you have to get clearance after
Hello.
after 18 months.
Yeah.
You can call if you don't spray any chemicals
Chemical on here.
you can call it semi-organic. But
Semi-organic.
after another 18 months, which would make it 3 years,
Yeah.
that's when your land becomes organic, and they give you a special certificate to say
Wow.
that this is what it's like in England. They've got to prove that it's organic.
Wow.
Otherwise, they can't sell
They
it.
can't sell it.
No.
Wow,
They can only call it home.
They can only call it what? Homegrown.
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 If they.
Because if you talk about homegrown, they got to think about this.
I know that. Yeah.
Do you take any of that?
No. I gave up drugs in 1975, and I gave up alcohol in 1975.
Oh, you don't drink alcohol?
No, and
What do you drink? Just water
Yep, and I gave and tea.
and tea. Yeah, I have tea as
And
well.
like I said, do the English thing and have a nice cup of tea. See, and I gave up
How
smoke.
much that cost you? That
£1.35.
£1.25.
Yeah, but the wages match it. You see, in the country, you know what I mean. You know, see, there's big money to be made in this country if you're in business.
Like what?
Well, it all depends. We even build our own aircraft. We build our own cars. You know what I mean? Like, you know.
Well, people
All
are
that
saying
sort of-
business is not it's not booming like it used to.
Oh
be.
no, well I know that, but we've always.
Hello, love. You ain't run me over.
Yeah, but we've always been here, you see. I've heard Muslim people in the past saying, "Oh, it's collapsing." I said, "Hold on." I said, "We've always been like this for 500 years,
Right.
and we'll be like that for the next 10,000 years. You know,
Right.
it won't change."
What's that, love? Is that coffee or cup of tea or hot chocolate?
Coffee.
Coffee lover. Enjoy. So we can talk to that young man there.
No, he's an old man.
He's busy. He's not old. He's only young. He's reading. He's got no glasses on and he can see right.
I need glasses to